Hey guys, I'm Splashtown here back in our video. Today is June 30th, 2024. We are back at Harbor Splashtown for the 7th visit of the season. So let's get this video started. We're in the overflow parking lot today, as today is a crowded day here at Harbor Splashtown. So let's get this video started. You guys have never seen this part. If you guys watched the live park video, you guys should have seen this parking lot, this part of the parking lot before. Arriving here today at 2:35. 96 degrees is today currently. Reaching the park. And looks like Stingray Racers is closed today, June 30th, 2024. Another attraction that should be closed today is Paradise Plunge, but we'll have to see about that. Bamboo Shoots has also reopened. There's also a new sign just outside the park by Tree Winds for the 4th of July celebration, July 3rd and 4th. Today I got chicken strips with fries, and my mom got bacon macaroni and cheeseburger with fries. Stop Paradise River.
Graduate college, you guys, you walk across the stage. You take the diploma.
Looks like all 3 sides of Bamboo Shoots are open today. Now we're going for a ride on Rip Curl. Closer on the road. Stingray Racers.
Mothers are not recommended to participate in this ride. Single or double group only. A combination way of double group. Black poles at the end of the ride. Failure to follow simple.
Looks like Rip Curl got a repaint turned off.
North Summer Park. For your safety, please follow these simple. North Summer Park. For your safety, please follow these simple rules. You must be at least 48 inches tall.
Does look like Rip Curl got repainted during the off season. Next stop, Paradise River. No way. What's up, Dakuna? Well, everyone, we're going to get ready to get out for today. As we're getting out, we are going to get our stuff and change. And the video will end not long after that point. Well, everyone, if you guys enjoyed this Adventures Around video, if you guys did, make sure to like that below, subscribe if you're new, and turn notifications around. See you guys tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.